So we are still moving on with our program, right? So what I want us to cover now is commenting in what that, right? Because when you are learning to code, right, you comment some praise, make some pointers some praise that will explain certain things to you, the programmer, and what other programmers that you what working with, right? Because some stuff may be difficult to actually get what is going on in your code before you can understand, right? So what you need to know is commenting, how we comment multiple line and then double line, right? So in that there are two ways you can perform commenting, right? Either single line comment, right, which is done on a single line, or you can comment on what multiple line, right? So to do a single line comment, we use this symbol here. Okay, let me extend this thing so that's good. So you can use a single comment here. You can do something like this. Okay, now this thing here is not part of your code. It is explaining what this guy actually does. Okay, I see a lot of newbie programmers who put comments under it like this, right, to explain what is above, right? That is a very poor coding pattern. Okay, this what makes your coding clean. Okay, don't put your comments under things that you are explaining. It should be above what you are trying to explain. Okay, so in case you want to try multiple lines, you write a comment on multiple lines and you do something like this, right? This going to be part of your code, right? Because multiple commenting, you need to use a different different symbol for it. Okay, so this is single line commenting. Let me make this comment. Okay, and this is multi-line comment. Okay, you can even see it already. Okay, so comment, right? So that's it. These are the key syntax that you should know. Single line comment, we use the two // okay, and multi-line comment, we first come with what a // and then what we add the star to it, and then when we want to close the tag, we add a star, and then what we use the same forward symbol to actually close it, right? So you can extend it to any number of lines that you want, right? As far as whatever you want to comment, your comment is within this guy, and this guy, then it is a comment, right? But if you write it outside of it, is not a comment. This guy here is not even a comment, right? So what you should know, if you are writing, you can see it is actually pointing out an error here, right? Which is this guy right here, right? Oh, just get up. So that's it, right? You see, it's gone. So that's single line commenting and then multi-line commenting for you. Okay, so let's go on, let's see where we have gotten to. Okay, no, we've covered this, and okay, so this is where we started. We've covered environment setup, so we are going to talk about data type variables, and then we'll move on all the way here, right? So see you in the next video, and then thanks for watching, right? Bye bye.